everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on UMKHOKHA from the 15th to the 19th of May 2023 on Monday. Mabusi has an epiphany about a rocky marriage. Nomkhosi steps Khulekani in the back once again. Nokubonga and Nobuntu take their escapades a notch higher on Tuesday. Mabusi and Siphamandla take things to the next level in their romance. Nopendulo resort to desperate measures to save her expulsion from the church. Things become more dear for Khulekani on Wednesday. The romance between Mabusi and Siphamandla elevates, and there is no denying the love between them. Mam Zobe gets much needed good news. Manzimande goes out of her way to save a disaster from happening on Thursday. Siphamandla and Mabusi learns the hard way that a leader is not meant for the kitchen. Mam Zobe gets an opportunity to finally settle a score, and she's taking it. Khulekani goes out of his way to express his unhappiness on Friday. Mam Zobe's plans to eliminate an enemy end up having dire consequences for her that she did not anticipate. After a lot of bad luck, Khulekani finally gets a big break. Well, guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.